Hello everyone. So I have been looking around for 15 minutes and I have not found a decent tutorial on how to use .env files on Django. So I decided to create a video because I hate to spend so much time only to set up my environment. I hate it. It's a waste of time. It gets my mind out of whatever I was working on. So I'm gonna create these for me, for you, for everyone. Let's make it short. Here we go. To use .env files, I'm gonna break it down in 3 steps, right? So first, you're gonna create your .env inside your main projects folder. It's right here for me. I created it here. Second step, you're gonna import. You're gonna install. Where is it? Here. So you're going to install this package right here. Third, you're going to go to your settings in your main projects folder, your settings.py, and you're going to write this. That's it. Again, number one, create your .env file inside your main projects folder. Second, make sure you have this installed. And third, you're going to write this for me and for you here. That's it. You're good to go. Now go ahead and set up your environment variables. For example, I have debug here for you guys to see, and I have it in use right here. Debug whatever equals env. So that's it. 3 steps. env, this here, and have this installed. That's it. Now this is the main documentation for that package. So in case that you want to go there, and you saw previously the repository, which is this one here, in case that you want to take a look at it, give them some support, and please give me support by subscribing to my channel. That's the only thing I ask for. Have a great day.